Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joshua McDonald, and today we're going to be comparing the 2024 Ford Bronco Sport versus the 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer. Now, before we get started with this video, I know a lot of you guys are in the market for a new or used vehicle, or even one of these two right here. If you guys want the absolute best price and to get a quote today, check out the link in the description to get a free quote right now. But without further ado, let's check out the differences between these two compact SUVs. So these are two of the biggest compact SUV competitors that we have at the moment. The Ford Bronco Sport is powered by a 1.5 liter turbo 3-cylinder motor that makes 181 horsepower versus the 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer is powered by a 1.3 liter turbo 3-cylinder that makes 155 horsepower. Now we have a big difference in the looks between these vehicles. Up front on the Chevrolet Trailblazer, you have these nice LED accented lights with the Chevrolet logo here in the center. This one is the LT model, so it's going to have chrome all the way around. Black wheels accented with these aluminum accents. These are also wrapped in hand-cooked tires, and the size on these is going to be 225 55/18s. They're the same size up front as they are in the back. For the side profile on this vehicle, we have plastic wheel arches, completely blacked out plastic all the way around the windows, and we do have keyless entry on the doors, so with the key in your pocket you can lock or unlock the vehicle. Really nice side profile on the Trailblazer here. There's also roof rails, so you can attach your rails along here and have extra utility on the roof. Moving to the back, there's parking sensors in the back, and if equipped, it does come with a tow hitch that'll tow around 1,000 pounds. You can open up this back hatch with the button underneath, and it comes right up for you. So pretty decent storage space inside of here. You can also lift up on this, and you have a spare tire underneath. These seats also do fold down, so you can have access to even more storage space in the back of the Trailblazer. For the Ford Bronco Sport, this one has the blackout package. So it has the black wheels, black roof, and it has these really cool accents along the sides and on top of the hood as well. You can see a little Bronco right here on the hood, which is super cool. Up front on the Ford Bronco Sport, we have different LED lights with these circle headlights, blacked out Bronco logo with your fog lights right underneath. Really nice wheels on this vehicle. They're wrapped in Continental tires. The size on these is going to be 225 65/17s. So instead of 18-inch wheels that you have on the Trailblazer, you're going to have 17-inch wheels on the Ford Bronco Sport. This one's the Big Bend trim, so you have your Big Bend on the side. And this is finished in the really nice desert sand color, which gives it a nice off-road feel. Black plastic door handles, black plastic mirror caps with blacked out surrounds on the windows. Plenty of utility on the roof, so you can put your roof rails up there as well and have extra storage on top. For the rear of this vehicle, this one comes equipped with a tow hitch where you can tow 2,000 pounds. Parking sensors on the back, and another cool feature on the Ford Bronco Sport is the glass will open up individually from the tailgate. So you have easy access to the back where you can throw stuff back here very easily and close it right back up. To open this up, you can just push on this button and the tailgate comes right up for you. So a little bit more room back here in the Ford Bronco Sport. There's a 12-volt outlet back here as well, and underneath you do have a spare tire as well. The seats also do go down for even more storage space. So plenty of room back there for activities. There is definitely more room in the Ford Bronco Sport than the Chevrolet Trailblazer, just due to its design where it's more boxy and it has more vertical volume. But let's take a look at the differences inside both of these SUVs. So let's head inside the 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer. But first, here's the gas cap. You have a gas cap where you can unscrew or screw it back on to fill up your tank. This 1.3 turbo will take 87 octane or above. Back here on the LT, you have black plastic everywhere, storage up top, storage at the bottom, and it is finished in cloth seats. So, as you can see there, We have our cloth seats, and I'll go ahead and hop inside. I'm about 6 foot tall on a good day. Pretty good leg room, plenty of headroom back here for me, so it's definitely comfortable back here for 2 full-size adults. Storage behind the driver and passenger seat. No amenities back here whatsoever, but pretty comfortable to sit in. These cloth seats are not bad at all. We'll go ahead and hop over to the Ford Bronco Sport, where this one has leather with cloth accents. Really nice interior on this vehicle. Nice touch materials, and if I hop back here, really good leg room, plenty of headroom. There's about a foot above my head. Handles in the back, storage behind the passenger and driver's seat with the MOLLE system. So you can stick stuff inside of here to keep it in place while you're driving or off-roading if you don't want it flying everywhere. 2 AC vents in the back, USB-C and USB. Center console right here with a couple of cup holders, but very nice second row for this vehicle. Now let's hop out and take a look up front in the Chevrolet Trailblazer. Little cloth design, all of our window and mirror controls in one place, and there is blind spot monitoring in the mirrors, so that little car right there will light up orange if there's something in your blind spot. Manually adjustable driver and passenger seat with a manually adjustable steering wheel. But if we hop inside and cut her on, we have 2 digital displays. So one in the middle, one to the right. We have the screen right here with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Bluetooth. Here's our shifter, so if we go back in reverse, we have our backup camera, electronic parking brake, 2 cup holders. There's also automatic stop start, lane keep assist, traction control, a sport mode, and the all-wheel drive mode. So this one will be on front wheel drive until you hit that all-wheel drive button, and that will initiate it. Storage down below with the USB-C and USB with a 12-volt port. Above, we have all of our AC controls with heated seats on the driver and passenger side, 2 AC vents in the middle, one for the driver and one for the passenger. Cloth seats up here that are very comfortable. Storage in the middle with storage inside of our center console, and that little cubby does come out. Here's our glove box. And we have a leather wrapped steering wheel with cruise control, heated steering wheel, forward collision, hands-free voice commands, and we can go up and down and hit our audio and calls. Automatic headlights in this vehicle, and there are paddles behind the steering wheel so you can scroll up and down through your music and turn your volume up or down. But let's go ahead and cut her off, and we'll take a look inside the Ford Bronco Sport. I am seriously impressed with this Ford so far. It does cost a little bit more than the Chevrolet, but we'll go over that in a little bit. Nice accents up front, soft touch materials with a nice armrest, all of our window controls, mirror controls, plastic door handles with, you guessed it, blind spot monitoring in the mirrors. Now, we have a power driver's seat. We can move it forwards, backwards, recline it, and adjust our lumbar with a manually adjustable steering wheel. Let's go ahead and hop inside and cut her on. So push button start. Leather wrapped steering wheel with all of our cruise control buttons on the left side. Following distance indicator, lane keep assist, volume controls, and muting. Horns in the middle. We can go up and down through the center menu and scroll through a few different trip odometers, fuel mileage, all of that good stuff. To our left, we have automatic light controls. We can open up our back hatch. In the middle, we have 2 cup holders with this weird little shifter where you can turn it to the right or left to shift through your gears with an L mode. Here's our backup camera while we're in reverse. 8-inch touchscreen right here with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It also has this built-in navigation system, and right below that we're going to have our volume, automatic stop start, our seeking, and our tune. Storage right here in the middle. All of our AC controls in one place with heated seats on the driver and passenger side. Wireless phone charger down here with a USB-C and USB and a 12-volt port. Electronic parking brake. And we have our GOAT mode. So those are go over any terrain. You have normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand. So pretty cool feature inside the Bronco. Also, you have your Bronco badging right here with our center console and some chargers in there. Glove box. And we have these half cloth, half leather seats with the Bronco logo right here in the middle. Sunglasses holder right above. But very impressive interior on this vehicle. Let's go ahead and compare both of the prices on these. So make sure you guys let me know in the comments down below, which one do you guys like so far? The Ford Bronco Sport or the Chevrolet Trailblazer? These are both great vehicles. It just depends on what you're trying to do with these. Now, the Chevrolet Trailblazer starts off at around $26,000 for the all-wheel drive LT. This is a 2024 Trailblazer all-wheel drive LT, black on black with a 1.3 liter turbo engine and 9-speed automatic transmission. Base price is $26,300. This one has all of these packages on it, so it comes out to $29,575. Gas mileage is going to be 26 city, 29 highway, and here's the whole window sticker if you want to pause the video and take a look at it. Now for the Ford Bronco Sport, with that 1.5 liter turbo 3-cylinder, you're going to get around 26 city, 28 highway. These start off at around 29.7, somewhere in that range, but you can easily load them up just like this one with a blackout package and the nicer inside. I don't have a window sticker for this one, but if I had to guess, it would be around 33 to 35-ish. The Ford Bronco Sport is definitely a more off-road oriented vehicle with great styling on the outside and inside and a lot of hidden features. Versus the Chevrolet Trailblazer is more of a kind of go around town, go to work and back highway hauler. So let me know which one you guys like more, Chevrolet Trailblazer or Ford Bronco Sport. That's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed watching, make sure you leave a like on this video, subscribe down below for more car content. Also, if you guys want the best price on the Ford Bronco Sport or the Chevrolet Trailblazer or any new or used vehicle, click the link in the description to get a free quote today. But that's it for today's video. If you guys want to check out more, check out these videos here in the corners, and I'll see you guys next time.